Today's featured car of the day is a 1960 Plymouth Fury four-door hardtop, which was a real nice car that I recorded at my cruise night in San Diego, California. And this one looked to be a nut and bolt restoration. Was a real nice car. 1960 being the last year for the big tail fins too. So these were definitely catch your attention with those giant fins on the back and the phony spare tire on the deck lid, which kind of looks like a flying saucer, some people say, but it is definitely different, that's for sure. But with the pillarless four-door hardtop, it was definitely a nice car with the tritone interior and with the gold trim. It was definitely a beauty, that's for sure. And 1960 was the first year for the unibody construction for the Furies. So that was it for the full frames. They went to the unibody. And as far as production numbers go, in 1960, Plymouth sold a total of 483,969 cars. And out of that, 63,073 were the Furies. This one being a hardtop sedan four-door, they sold 9,036. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.